Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, loose fasteners, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Pay particular attention to the radiator area for the accumulation of debris, which can cause the engine to overheat, and clean any debris that is found. Next, check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage, and inspect the tread depth. Also, check the tire pressures and verify that they are set to specification. Reference your owner's manual or tire pressure label on your vehicle for the correct specs. Then, inspect the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Continue by moving to the brake pads and rotors, looking for corrosion, nicks, and burrs. On X2 models, lift the cargo box before continuing. Next, lift on the rear of the seat and pull back to remove. Then, inspect the airbox for any damage or leaks. Before continuing, ensure the vehicle is on a level surface to inspect the fluid levels. Begin by inspecting and adjusting the fluid level in the rear brake reservoir located next to the airbox. A flashlight can be used to illuminate the reservoir in dark areas. Then, reinstall the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. On X2 models, close the cargo box and ensure it is secure. Continue by inspecting the front brake reservoir on the left handlebar for proper fluid level. A flashlight can be used to illuminate the reservoir in dark areas. Next, inspect the coolant level in the overflow bottle in the right front wheel well and add coolant as needed. Then, inspect the engine oil level on the right side of the vehicle. Ensure the oil level is checked on a cold engine. A hot engine will appear overfilled. Continue by removing the oil dipstick and wiping with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove it again to inspect the oil level. Then, add the recommended oil as needed. Do not overfill. Next, turn the 2/4 turn latches on the front storage rack and pivot back to open. Then, pull the rubber access panel up to remove. Continue by inspecting the ADC differential hydraulic circuit fluid for proper fluid level and add fluid as needed. Then, insert the rear retention tabs on the rubber access panel and press down on all sides to ensure it is fully sealed. Continue by closing the front rack and turning the 2/4 turn latches to secure the rack. Next, verify proper brake and throttle lever movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. Then, set the parking brake and ensure the vehicle does not roll. Also, ensure proper operation of the foot brake. Next, turn the key on and verify there are no warning lights illuminated. Also, inspect the fuel level, ensuring there is enough for your trip. Then, push the engine stop switch to stop the engine and ensure it does not restart. Restart the engine and ensure the engine turns off when the ignition switch is turned off. Then, verify proper operation of the headlights, taillights, and brake lights. Continue by checking the steering system for smooth operation from full left to full right. Then, slowly pull the recoil rope out and inspect the handle and rope for any excessive wear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.